everyone, welcome to today's video. Happy Friday, happy casual Friday here on our channel. I almost didn't film today. I've been a little under the weather. I'm not trying to complain, but I got a little energy, a little burst of energy, if you even call it a burst, so I thought I would film. Plus I have my Ipsy bags, my paid bags for the month, and I just want to see what's inside and show you guys what I have. So before we get started, welcome back if you are new here. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes and I love Ipsy. If you guys are interested in Ipsy, I will link them down below. So we have the Ipsy $12 bag and the Ipsy $25 bag, the Ipsy Plus. And I said this in my PR video, which I'll link down below if you want to see that video, see what I got there. But I love the stars, so pretty. I love pink, yes. So what one should we open first? Let's go with the $12 bag. So this bag is my #1 recommended beauty subscription for newbies into the subscription box world and the beauty box world, because it's $12 and you get a mixture of full size and deluxe size items and over $50 in value, so totally worth it. And this is all based on a profile, but I'm not going to keep rambling on about Ipsy because I feel like a lot of you guys know, but again, link will be down below. And the theme is time to shine. And I just realized this, it says like the horoscopes, so 2022 beauty horoscopes, and gives you some tips on what to do. So I'm a Taurus, but I'm a Sagittarius rising. So I usually look at Sagittarius for my horoscope. People differ on that. Which, by the way, if you guys are into like that kind of thing, I just filmed earlier a 2022 like predictions video with tarot cards on my other channel. I'll link that down below, but I won't get into that too much. It should be up by the time this video is, but yeah. So Taurus says, what have you always been too afraid to try? Now's the time. Like beauty-wise, I don't know if I'm afraid to try anything. And then Sagittarius says, wear something you think is wild and become the trendsetter you are. Yeah, just such a trendsetter. I mean, I love my shirt, but I feel like my face kind of looks like it today. But anyways, so the first item we have in here is by Seraphim Botanicals. It's the Cranberry and Dew Dewy Lip Remedy. Ooh, I love stuff like this. It's a nourishing jelly textured lip balm. It leaves a dewy layer of hydration for smooth, supple lips without the stickiness. I wonder if it's colored or not. Oh, nice. There is a little bit of a tint. Pretty. And then we have an eyeshadow duo by M2U NYC. I'm not going to swatch things because some of these may be going in the December giveaway, which is somewhere on our channel. If you guys haven't entered, I'm sure you can figure it out and find it. The name is pretty obvious, but if not, it'll go into next month's giveaway. And then we have Ultra Repair Oil Control Moisture by First Aid Beauty. Oh no, I thought my hair looked decent at least, but I'm looking wrong. I'm not going to focus on that. So this is a moisturizer, but it helps oil control too. And then, oh, there was some face mask that came outside of the box. I have to find it. Outside of the bag. But it looks like we have a highlighter, Vintage by YC Collection. Let's open it. Yeah, this looks really beautiful, but a little bit too dark for my skin tone possibly. So I'm definitely going to pass this on. I've tried a few things from this brand through Ipsy, I'm pretty sure, like their powder, it might be a foundation powder, and something else like a primer, and I liked both of those. But let me grab my face mask. I think they're sort of over here. Yes. Oh, I got these. These are the only repeats, I think, in my bags, between my PR bags and my paid bags. These are 2 face masks, limited edition by the Cream Shop, and this one is "'Tis the Season to Be Lovely," collagen and squalene, youth promoting, collagen boosting, and hydrating essence sheet mask. And then the one on the back is Baby It's Cold, or Baby It's Gold Outside, 24 karat gold and collagen firming and moisturizing mask. So that was everything in the Ipsy bag. Now let's look at my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And I forgot to mention, even though I said I'd stop blabbering on about all the details of each, but you can customize one of the items in the Ipsy bag, and in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you can customize 3 out of the 5 items, and these are all full size, and again, $25. So first thing, I think I peeked in this one because I'm like, this looks like it was open before. But this is by Complex Culture. I love their brushes. This is their Cheek Chiseler Contour and Blush Brush. Actually, I don't know if I looked at this yet. I have a lot of their brushes, but I don't have this one. I do have like their contour one in this. And if I do, so I love that they are biodegradable handles. They look really sleek and chic, and I just really like them. They're good quality, definitely recommend. And yeah, vegan, cruelty-free, luxuriously dense, Syntec bristles. Yes, they're awesome. And we have another item by them actually. This is their Good Glow Blush Duo in the shades So Chill and Glow Rush. Again, I'll show you, but I'm not going to swatch anything. Ooh, these are really pretty. I'm like, I want to keep them. I'm trying to give away things or give gifts and whenever I can, especially this month. Oh, I think they look really pretty. And I love that their makeup always comes with like a little sheet over it and gives you tips on how to use it. Super nice. So subtle glow or total glow, and then it tells you how to apply it. Like apply one shade or a touch of both onto the apples of your cheeks for a flush of glowy color, or you can sweep the deeper shade onto the apples of the cheeks and blend in the lighter shade. Yeah, so it gives you tips. Like in their eyeshadow palette's really awesome for that too. So I love it as a mirror. So yeah, everything about that brand I've liked so far. Next up we have an eyeshadow palette by Shayna B, the Miami Nights Pressed Pigment Palette. So this is outside. Sorry, I keep looking at my wild hair. Ooh. So it looks like there's 5 mattes, 2 like shimmers, and a glitter. I'm not into pressed glitters, but I love the like cool tone look of this palette. And there is a mirror. And then, oh, I think this was in my other bag too. I'm not sure. But Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow. So this is the moisturizer in this line. And these products are pretty pricey and they're like cult favorites. Like, so there is the Exfoliate, is that the one that's the exfoliator for your face? I'm mixing them all up. But the whole line, I think, is Exfoliate, right? So this is the glow. So this is the moisturizer part of it. It has lactic acid and hyaluronic acid. I haven't tried this, but I have tried the face wash, is what I was trying to say before. So this is improves pore and texture while hydrating and smoothing for a dewy, refreshed looking skin. Sounds awesome to me. Exfoliating and moisturizing. And then I remember choosing this because I love getting complexion products in my bags. And this is by Jecca Blay. And this is the liquid concealer in 1.0. I think I might have swatched this when I got it, but I don't know. It's a liquid concealer, offers full coverage for blemishes, redness, scarring, and beard shadow coverage. I love that they mention that. Like they don't ever reference that like for guys and stuff. That's awesome. Cool, I like this brand a lot more already. So inclusive, I love that. So, should be a good shade for me. I like to have it like a little bit lighter under my eyes. Yeah, it definitely seems like good coverage, so I'm excited to try it out. I haven't used it on my face, but I think when I got this in the mail a few days ago, I did put it on my hand, but I couldn't remember. But I'm excited to try it out. I'm like putting it all over my hands now. It definitely provides coverage and doesn't. It seems actually like moisturizing. So, and brightening too. Oh my gosh, doesn't this look a lot brighter? Like I put a little bit on this weekend. Nice, I'm excited to try it out. I wish I remembered for today, even though I did my makeup like 10 hours ago. You probably can tell. But that was it for today, guys. I would love to know your thoughts. Oh, here's Emmy. Emmy, come say hi, my sick little booba. Wanna say hi? Oh, my little baby, his allergies. Oh, I love you. Are the lights bothering you? That's a good way to end it. Let's look at the cute cat, not me. Both under the weather, but she still is pulling it off a little bit better. But yeah, let me know what you think of my Ipsy bags. Let me know what you got. Are we Ipsy twins? And let me know how you're doing. What are you up to this weekend? Anything fun? Can't wait to read your comments. But thanks again for being here. I'm so grateful for all of you. I love you so much, and I will see you super soon. Bye, guys.